And in this lecture, you will find ready-to-use expert advisors, which I will attach as a resource file, and you will be able to test them along the course if you have the experience, if you have watched some of my other courses. If not, just download them and be patient in the next lectures to see how they work and how you have to put them properly on the MetaTrader platform. I will talk a lot about the MetaTrader platform because it's the most common platform for algo trading, and as well you will see step by step how to use the robots included in the course. But in this video I will explain the difference between algo trading and manual trading, and I won't tell you you have to trade only with robots. The algo trading is the best thing in the world, but I will make it easier to take a decision, and during the course, very importantly, I will share how the strategies work manually and how they work with the expert advisors, so you can compare both and decide if you want to trade the strategies manually or you want to trade them with the expert advisors. This is the name of the robots.